Hey everyone, welcome to another edition of Racing with Rob as we attempt Kansas for the third time. I am in the number 8 San Francisco 49ers car today. Qualified 8th, did pretty bad that second lap. I actually didn't even do a second lap of qualifying because I just got loose and I didn't get a 2x, but I just knew it was gonna be a crappy time, so I didn't even bother finishing it. Yeah, I mean, if I'd gotten the times I got in practice just before this, I would have qualified second. But I guess when the pressure's on, I just didn't have it there. But yeah, I'm in the middle of the pack, 8th out of a 21 field, 1.4 strength of field. It's a little lower than what I've dealt with the first two nights. Yeah, so yeah, we're the 8th car starting 8th, so right where we were supposed to be. Hoping for at least a top 10, and if not that, just incident free, just to help my crappy 1.5 safety rating, which is borderline embarrassing at this point. Still haven't recovered from that Talladega week, so Talladega coming ARCA in a few weeks. I need to get that up. Otherwise, won't be running any Talladega with ARCA in a few weeks. But yeah.
You have 2 additional sets of tyres during this race. Have a good race.
Not really familiar with anyone in this field. If you see my head moving around, I have reinstalled Track IR infrared head tracking, mostly so I can look at the tack when, like with this view. So I just tilt my head down, I can see the tack. So
1 lap to green. You're on the outside this time. Pit road is closed right now. Catch the 6 car. Catch the 6 car.
Actually, Thomas Dewey, the 6 car, I do recognize him. I drafted with him. The guy in front of me, I drafted with him in Talladega. I think I recall him being a pretty good driver. Yep, 3.8. Yeah, so he's a pretty good driver. So hopefully get a good start here.
Good luck, boys. That was some good clean racing. Good luck, everyone. Yeah, good luck.
Get ready. Going green. The pace car is off. Be ready. Green flag. Green flag. Inside.
Good start.
Still there at the bottom. Clear inside.
Got a pretty good separation at the start. Don't want to burn off tires.
Inside.
If someone wants to go batshit crazy at
Still
the
there.
beginning, I'll let them.
Clear.
What is going on there?
Inside.
Man, a lot of checking up there.
39.3.
Don't come back.
9. You're up
Like
top,
that.
3 wide. Clear inside. The next car's the leader. The yellow flag is out.
Oh, that was
They
a
want
late
you in
caution.
Single file. Pit road is
The
closed.
hell was that?
Ridiculous, guys. Come on.
Catch the 6 car.
That was a late ass caution.
Crowd, back it back here.
Was a late caution. Like, I should not be in second place right now. I should be like this.
Yeah, I got a little upset on that apron and fell out of control and just got hit in the back. So, sorry whoever got involved in that.
I do gotta think everyone who leaves the grass is staying in the grass for the most part.
Sorry about that.
Pit road is now open.
Didn't mean to scare you.
Half
No,
lap,
I'm
one
mad
car.
at stopping people who do that. Happens a lot.
7, do I look like I have a lot of damage? How about my damage thing?
Checking up in 4 hard. Checking up in 4 hard.
So it looks like one car, the 5 and the 4 are out of it now. I don't know if the 4 just didn't even show up, but a couple guys pitting, interesting. They're gonna get like 5 laps to. We didn't really go that hard. I was saving. So
17, how's my right side?
Excuse me?
Alright, thank you.
See, you got pretty good damage on your right front.
Number 6, I didn't catch what you said, man. What was up?
Yeah, I scraped the wall. I didn't know how bad it was.
let's see.
Alright, draw up next to me, I'll have a look. Nah, nothing, mate. Not even any damage at all. Oh, maybe a little bit behind your rear tyre. You should be good.
Alright, thanks.
Hope that helps.
Pit road is closed right now.
A couple guys pitted. I think only 2 were involved in that wreck that had a tow. There might have been some people getting some repairs. But none of the leaders did, so I'm on the same tires as them. Well, the 16, I recognize him from a few carb cups. I think he's a pretty good racer too. Tyler Watermolen, very that's a name I definitely remember. For good things, not I don't remember him for anything bad. This guy in front of me is a lawyer. Nice way to get some business. Dewey, Christian, and Howe. I gotta create like a... I need to create like a paint scheme advertising my Twitch and my YouTube. Gotta spend some time on trading paints for that. Alright, so I will be in the inside. Cool. Had a good restart.
One to go. Next time by.
Staying
Line
in the
up on
front
the
there.
inside. 1 minute 24.003.
Okay, 13, can you tell me about backflips? Can you tell me about backflips?
Right rear fence up a little bit.
Okay, thank you.
I don't think there's anything to worry about. Actually, it's probably going to help you to lift the spoiler up a little bit on the right side.
How's my back end, 7?
Yeah, you're big crumpled up. Especially on the left-hand side.
Thank you.
Get ready. Going green.
The first time I've ever gotten loose like that after
The pace car is
Point
off.
on
Be
that.
ready. Green, green, green. You're in 5th. 1 minute 19.953.
Good start, not a bad start. The guy in the back kind of jumped it, but kept up where I'm supposed to be. Let's not get loose. Gotta listen to those tires. Let those tires talk to you.
33.493.
Park it here behind Dewey, just copy whatever line. He's a lawyer, so he's got to be pretty smart, so. Letting off, I'm not full throttling it. I'll stay on here, maybe they'll save a little bit of tire as well.
31.925.
Dewey's getting a little loose. I think he made some contact with the apron there. Trying to stay in the draft here. Ooh, got a blinker up there.
.585.
Overdrove it a little bit there, I feel. I'm trying to stay with the draft here.
Come on, come on.
31.751. .999.
Couple guys charging up from the back. I'm not gonna fight them too much. Oh, Paul Hammis. Our name sounds familiar. He's pretty good. I think he's pretty good at saving tires.
The car outside. Stay low. There is a car on the high side. Still there. Hold your line. 32.168. Clear high.
Couldn't see where he was. Where'd he go? Did he blink? He disappeared? He was there. Oh, there he is. I was like, where the heck did he go? Yeah, I've been overdriving my tires here a little bit, so
32.443.
really hope there's a caution later on.
.168.
That's tricky, man. This guy is blinking really bad.
Inside. Still there, hold your line. 32.383. Keep high. Clear. Outside. Outside, clear. 32.655.
Oh, caution. Oh, I was hoping for that to be caution. This gearbox guy, I think he's been overdriving it big time, so hopefully I can make a pass on him soon.
.586. Car outside. Clear outside if you want it. 32.672. Outside. Stay low. Outside is clear.
Past the 9, he got a little loose there.
.765.
I think 9's tires are pretty shot. It's going to turn into an ARCA tire saving type exercise, so got to be patient here.
You're clear, 8.
32.522. 20 more laps.
I'm sure there's a bunch of guys back there that are probably saving.
32.63.
Yeah. .008. The 14 seems to be doing pretty good. He was saving.
.975.
What is this guy doing?
.186. Outside. Still there, hold your line. Still there. Stay low. Clear. Outside. 33.56. Still there, hold your line. Still there, hold your line. Caution, yellow flag. They want you in single file.
Needed that. Needed that, baby. I needed that. 100%.
Catch start 10, car.
Pace car on the back stretch. Copy that back stretch.
Pit road's open.
Check in temporary.
We're done, get going. Be mindful, you only have one set of tyres remaining. Line up, single file. Catch start 6, car.
You want to take 2, Randy? Ah.
Alright, so I will be on the outside here. Everyone's on new tires, so it's basically a 10-lap race at this point. Tire savings probably won't play any role at this point, so just gotta gun it. Gotta get a good, excuse me, good start's gonna be so critical here.
One to go, next time by. Line up on the inside. 1 minute 21.193. Catch start 11, car.
So on the inside.
Get ready, going green. The pace car is in. Green flag, green flag. One minute, 17.577 outside. Got 10 laps to go. Stay low. Outside, clear. Outside. Still there, hold your line. Outside, clear.
That green car must be on a controller, man. He is all over the place.
33.352. Thirty-one point six three four. Thirty-one point six three eight. Thirty-one point seven four eight.
Eleven's hitting the wall.
Perfect.
Thank you.
I gotta be careful around this 15, man. He is all over the place.
31.8575. 5 to go. Car outside. Stay low. There is a car on the high side. Still there. Outside is clear.
Alright, got past 15. He is back where he belongs.
32.111.
Just gotta focus on slow in, fast out at this point.
Thirty-one point nine six seven. Two left to go. 2 to go. 32.052. White flag. One more lap to go. 31.991.
I just want to thank you guys for letting me win. Thank you.
Woo! That was a good one. That was a good one.
There's the flag.
That was fun.
It's over.
Man, the 13
Great job.
gave
You
me a
did
little
really
run.
well.
13 gave me a little run at the end. Beat him by .02. Let's get somewhere clean so I don't.
Dog on the roof and everywhere. Nice race, guys.
All right, 32 iRating gain. That was fun. That was fun. Didn't talk too much in that. I was just really focused after kind of the last two races were kind of iffy. Wanted to make sure I got a good race in. All right, so now to take a look at the results. I got top 7th place, P7. Got the 60 plus pointer that I was looking for, so my string of having a 60 point race every week this season continues. Happy about that. Couple milestones here. Safety rating big time. That 0x was just huge. Getting a 0x. This was, I mean, I know I didn't get a top 5, but if anything, getting a 0.25 boost in safety rating is huge. Hopefully I can get another 0.25 with the 4th race of the week that I end up running. Also crossed over into the 1600 mark again, so got close after the last race of last week. I think I was at 1598. Finally made it over back into the 1601 hump. I know I was at 1600 after the Talladega race, so good to get back there. Did pretty good. I mean, I finished basically where I was supposed to finish for the most part. Most of the guys that did finish in front of me were not as strong, but overall it was a good race. You know, that caution really helped. I think with when I think I overdrove a little bit just trying to keep up with the front pack, but you know, really helped. Kept the pedal to the metal after that last restart. I think I went from like 9th or 10th to 7th, picked up 2 spots after that last restart with 10 to go. Yeah, so it was a fun race. Can't ask for anything better. About 1,446 strength of field. So I think I've said it before. I think right now the strength, anything in the 14s or 15s is basically kind of in my wheelhouse. Anything above that, it's like, you know, I was getting like 12th place or worse. So, you know, hopefully we keep it going. Good race. I will probably do one more of these over the weekend. But yeah, so thank you everyone for taking the time to watch. Hope everyone has a great rest of the day or rest of the evening, wherever you may be. And I look forward to getting back and having some more, at least one more race at Kansas up sometime in the next few days. Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye now.